Hey there YouTube, welcome back to another games collection video. It was just a few days ago that the Stig showed a collection of his C64 games, and seeing that there's not a lot of C64 games collection, I figured I'd show some of the games that I own, and I've got a lot to go through. So starting off with Rust and Saga, Arkanoid, Freddy Hardest, Psycho Soldier, Salamander, Slap Fight, Renegade, Target Renegade, Guerrilla War, Vindicator. They're all boxed and complete army moves. Typhoon, Green Beret, Yakon Fu 2, Legend of Cage, Terra Cresta, Athena, Galvan, Mag Max, 1942, Bomb Jack 2, which includes the original, Buggy Boy, Thundercats, Paperboy, IK Plus, International Karate Club, Flying Shark, Snaps, 6-shooter, which includes Mikey, Whizball, Terra Cresta, Phalanx, Head Over Heels and Hypersports. Using the Story, Matchday 2, The Never Ending Story, Grisor, Contra, Combat School, Cabal, Cobra, Stallone Cobra, Knight Rider, Miami Vice, Run the Gauntlet, Mario Brothers, Double Take, Highlander, The Untouchables, Charlene's Road, Track and Field, Judge Dredd, Kettle, Nemesis the Warlock, Alien Syndrome, Time Soldier, Bombusel, Fox Fights Back, Blastroids, Soldier of Light, Sidearms, Dragon's Lair, Dragon's Lair 2, Mermaid Madness, oops, APB, Tubin, sorry, Dragon Spirit, Cybots, Denaris, Starry, Bazooka Bill, Navy Moves, The Real Ghostbusters, Rampage, Snaxian, Hunter's Moon, Delta, Delta 2, Light, Hawkeye, Scrambled Spirits, Pac-Land, Pac-Mania, The Flintstones, Terramax, Death Wish 3, The Thing Bounces Back, Mickey Mouse, Orf, Wizard and Monty, Jack the Nipper, Jack the Nipper 2, Coconut Capers, Skate Crazy, Rebounder, Cosmic Causeway, Trailblazer 2, Imposter Mole, Way of the Tiger, The Muncher, Dream Warrior, Roadrunner, Infiltrator, 10th Frame, Gauntlet, Psychic Pigs UXB, Crystal Castles, Street Sports Basketball, Kung Fu Master, Fight Night, Epyx Classics, Epyx, which includes Mission Impossible, Summer Games, Breakdance and Pit Stop 2. Winter Games, California Games, World Games, The Games, Summer Edition, The Games Winter Edition, Solomon's Keys, Super Cycle, Thunderblade, Beachhead 2, Outrun, Road Blasters, Rygar, Xevious, Tiger Road, Fantasy World Dizzy, Quick Snacks, Treasure Island Dizzy, Bubble Dizzy, Dizzy, Tarzan Goes 8, BMX Simulator, Pro Boxing Simulator, Rallycross Simulator, Bubble Bubble, Ghostbusters 2, Robocop, Afterburner, Super Hang-On, Chase HQ, Batman, R-Type, Wonder Boy, Enduro Racer,